It's really easy to change. I said easy. It's 2 years already. I do my YouTube job, and today finally I will show you something really big. In the age of minimalistics, it's hard to imagine that someone will make something so big, and it seems not so comfortable as a lot of small machines, light machines. It's almost 300 grams. It's really heavy, but it's so good. I can say almost perfect balanced, so you don't feel this weight. XNet VIPERA. So it's one more tattoo machine with adjustable stroke from 2.4 till 4.2. Of course, I work usually 4.2 and sometimes 3.6 for shading. My first impressions was, how can it be so big? It must be not comfortable, but it's almost have no vibration. It's really quiet and so powerful as the most of machines from XNet. I think XNet make most powerful tattoo machines on the market. Not always it's so cute, nice and small. When you stop it for a few seconds, it's still running. Click. It doesn't stop, and at the same time you push the button. Clickable adjust settings, clickable grip. It's pleasant heavy. You feel it in your hand, but when you take it as you need for tattooing, it feels the same as tattoo machines with weight 200 grams. Let's see vibration. No vibration. Of course, I made few tattoos before I shoot this review. During the work, you feel now this weight. It looks really huge, but when you work and you forget about it. By the way, tattoo cartridges X-ray, the same from XNet brand, very good. This machine have amazing power, so for lining, for VIP shading, for color packing, it's perfect machine. If it's not bad for you size like that, I think it's biggest tattoo machine I have. For sure, it will be good stuff for you. RCA cable, USB-C, O-rings, I never use, and RCA connector. It's really easy to change. I said easy, yeah. I just afraid to break it. It's quite tight. I prefer battery. I made tattoo in 2 hours and it still had 85%. So for sure it will be enough for really long day without any charging. I love machines from XNet. Sometimes it's big, seems not comfortable, but for sure it's really good balanced, and you feel now this weight, almost 300 grams. For example, for my hand, more comfortable, big grip like this. For me it's more comfortable, more natural. Someone loves smaller, it's question of taste. And the price, $170 for so powerful machine. By the way, really good assembled, have no issues for assembling, for power and for battery. One thing only, it's the size. If you're good with it, good choice. So check the link under video, check more information about this tattoo machine, order, my acceptation. Have a nice day.